Excuse me, dear.
Yes, madam. How can I help you?
Are you sitting on the lower seat?
Yes, I am on the lower seat.
I am on the upper seat.
Oh, I see.
I am feeling a little tired.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It is difficult for me to climb up.
Yes, the upper seat can be hard.
May I ask you something?
Of course, madam. Please ask.
Can we exchange our seats?
You want the lower seat?
Yes, if you don't mind.
Not at all.
Thank you for understanding.
You're welcome.
My legs are weak these days.
I understand, madam.
I was worried to ask.
It's okay. You asked very politely.
You are very kind.
Thank you. Please sit here.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm comfortable with the upper seat.
That is very nice of you.
No problem at all.
Let me take my bag.
I can help you with that.
Thank you, dear.
Please be careful while sitting.
Yes, I will.
Is the seat comfortable now?
Yes, much better.
I'm glad to hear that.
Where are you traveling to?
I am going to Delhi.
Oh, I am also going to Delhi.
That's nice.
Is this your first train journey?
No, but I don't travel often.
You have good manners.
My parents taught me to respect elders.
They raised you well.
Thank you, madam.
I feel relaxed now.
That makes me happy.
May God bless you.
Thank you. Have a safe and pleasant journey. Clara, please sit here on the sofa.
Thank you, Anita. This sofa is very comfortable.
Would you like some coffee or tea?
Coffee would be nice, thank you.
I'll bring it right away.
Take your time. I'm happy to rest.
Here you are, one hot cup of coffee.
Oh, it smells lovely.
Be careful, it's hot.
Yes, thank you for telling me.
So, how was your journey?
It was long, but not too bad.
Did you travel alone the whole way?
Yes, I did, but people were helpful.
That's good to hear. Were you tired?
A little, especially at the end.
You should have called me.
I know, but I didn't want to worry you.
You never worry me. You are my sister.
That's very sweet of you.
Did the train arrive on time?
Yes, just 5 minutes late.
That's not bad at all.
I met some nice people during the journey.
Really? That sounds interesting.
Yes, one young woman helped me with my seat.
Oh, how kind of her.
People are still good and polite.
That makes me happy to hear. How have you been, Anita?
I'm doing well, just busy with the house.
The house looks beautiful and clean.
Thank you. I try my best.
The coffee is very good.
I'm glad you like it.
It feels nice to sit together like this.
Yes, I missed these moments.
Me too. It feels like old times. You should rest today. We can talk more later.
Yes, that sounds perfect.
Excuse me, dear. I don't think we have met before.
Oh, hello, madam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Who are you?
My name is Sarah. I am Rohan's friend.
Oh, I see. You are Rohan's friend.
Yes, madam. I come here sometimes.
That's nice. My name is Clara.
Nice to meet you, Mrs. Clara.
Please call me Aunt Clara.
Thank you, Aunt Clara.
How old are you, dear?
I am 20 years old.
Oh, you are the same age as Rohan.
Yes, we study together.
What do you study?
I am studying computer science.
That sounds interesting.
Thank you. What about you, Aunt Clara?
I am retired now. I used to be a teacher.
Really? That's wonderful.
Yes, I taught English for many years.
I like English, but sometimes it is difficult.
Practice makes it easier.
That is true, Aunt Clara.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I am from this city.
That's good. You must know the place well.
Yes, I do. Do you like the city?
Yes, it is busy but beautiful.